welcome to my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment what you want me to do next. But if you want to see how to achieve this look, continue to watch. So before I put anything on my face, I like to start with the Murad Insta Blur Perfecting Shield. And I like to use this under my makeup because it has sunscreen in it. I just like to work it in. And I like it because it's like kind of like it works as a primer as well, and it like blurs like big pores and everything. And it also helps with acne. That's the major key. So then next, I like to go in my Xavion water and get the top off, and just spray a couple sprays. Let that sit for a minute. And so then next, I like to go in my Mercier setting powder, and I'm about to set my whole face because I am oily. I get really oily. I like to use one of these little makeup sponges, the ones that you can reuse them or you can throw them away. And I set my eyebrows. I don't know why, I feel like it makes them look better. And I rub it back and forth in my eyebrows so it gets in between the hairs. Alright, so then next we're going to move on to our eyebrows. And I like to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow brush because it has like a little brush and then a little spoolie on the end. Then I'm going to go in with NYX Tame and Frame pomade in the color Espresso. So before I like even dip into it, I like to brush my brows to see like what type of brow I'm going for the day, because I don't really like to get my eyebrows done like that because I don't really like to get my eyebrows done like that because I like to, sometimes I'm like them thick, sometimes I'm like them thin. So I've been letting them grow in for a while, so they're kind of bushy. Alright, so once you brush your eyebrows into the shape that you're like going for, you can go ahead and start. And I like to start like in the middle of my brow, like right here where that little dip is, like a little arch. And you do like light strokes. Then you go on top and you start like a little behind where you started at the bottom. Then you like connect the top and the bottom, and then you start to fill in. Then you start working a little bit in the front. I don't really like to put too much product in the front. That's when you start to get your eyebrows not to look natural. Did a couple things back in the past, and I know that it hurt you. So I kind of like stop like halfway before the front, then start working on the next brow. And y'all remember, eyebrows are sisters, not twins, because you will spend all day trying to make them look exactly alike. And so after you got like the shape of the ends, well, the tails of your eyebrow, I like to go in with the spoolie and brush the product through my brows. And then like, the reason why I also don't like to do it because like when you brush them, it makes the front of your eyebrow darker anyway, like you're putting stuff on it. So that gives you a way to use less product, so you also have more. Next up, what we're going to do is going to conceal our brows, and I like to use LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. I don't like to take the brush and like underline my brow. I like to take a little out, put it on the back of my hand, mix it around so it can warm up a little bit. And I like to start at the arch, do light strokes. And what I'm doing like light strokes, and I'm also patting it in. And also another good trick to like get a perfect brow is like to raise your brow a little bit. You can get like a perfect line. And then we just bring it on down. So next I'm going to go in with my Sydney Paris. This looks like a blending brush. I got these from TJ Maxx, so they don't really have no names on them. And my MAC Dark Mineralizing Powder, get a little bit on there. I'm going to take this. We're going to take it and go over that concealer with it. And all this is really doing for me is like setting the concealer. And also, because I don't like to get my eyebrows done, it's like giving extra coverage to the hairs that's like under there. Okay, boom. So next what I'm going to go in with my two foundations. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color 420. I'm gonna shake that up. And I'm also gonna go in my Cover FX Power Play. And I like these two together because this one gives me more of a orangey color, and this one is like cool. So like when I mix these two together, it gives me like my perfect foundation. Oh, and the Cover FX is in the color G90. And what I like to do, I like to put both of them on the back of my hand so I can mix them together before I actually put them on my face. I'm actually going to go in with one of these disposable sponges. I'm just going to put this all over my face. I like to start under my eye. And what I do, I'm just like placing it. I'ma tear that thing up, you know that your boy it is. And I swear to God, ain't no lie, man. I'ma bring you up like you climbing there. And you can play them games if you want to. Maybe you'll see what I'm gon' do. Yeah, when I get in bed, she gon' feel it, break her back, gon' throw out her appendix, yeah. Also, another reason why I like to put it on the back of my hand is because it kind of like warms up the foundation before I like apply it to my face. And then it kind of tells me like how I need to, like which powders I need to go in with to set it. Because if I went too dark, I know to then I need to go with like a lighter powder. Or if I went too light, I need to go with darker powders to like kind of even myself out. Alright, so now we have that all over. I'm going to highlight with the Fawn LA Girl Pro Concealer that I did under my eyebrows with.
Got a boyfriend, but she messing with me. Watch what she undecided, no. But I still tell her, come on over, get down with it. Red nose into the window, bars in the ceiling. Boy, you gotta see it twirl like big old booty girl. How much
I'm gonna go back in with that same sponge.
Say it like she want it. Let her way she do it when she come and hop up on it.
And then next, I'm gonna highlight again with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand. And I'm literally just gonna put like a little dot. And I only use this under my eyes because I feel like that gives me like that like girl snatch. I'm bringing it to the sides of my nose. Alright, so then next we're gonna go in with our L'Oreal Inflammable, is this how you say it? Foundation stick. Oh, and this is in the color Chestnut. And I literally just a little bit on my cheeks, on my forehead, and my jaw. I don't really like to use like any concealers or foundation as my contour on my nose because I feel like that is so hard to blend out, and if you don't blend it out right, it looks like, girl, what are you doing? And then I'm gonna go in with a buffing brush. I don't even know what brush this is. Half of my brushes I got from Target, and they're not Target, from TJ Maxx, but they're really good brushes. I'm just gonna blend that out. And I kind of like to go up in an up motion. And it kind of like already gives you like that little cut that you need. And you didn't even have to do too much work. But I feel like a lot of girls put too much like cream contour when they're contouring. And it be so hard for them to blend it out. Where it looks really harsh. And then on my jawline, I really work it in. Back and forth motions. I don't even feel like it's like, who wants to get clocked with that really dark, ugly line? It's like, girl, you did not see that before you left the house? And my forehead, I just like pat it in. I don't really feel like I need too much on my forehead. Hi guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment what you want me to do next. But if you want to see how to achieve this look, continue to watch.
Last night I can't unsee. Hey girl, we was vibing, looking up at the lights, and you told me that you're right and said you never leave my side. Oh no, had me up on the high